Welcome back to Galaxies Online Academy. In this video, we are diving into a full first term revision for grade 6 English medium science with 100 amazing questions to test your knowledge and get you exam ready. We'll be covering 3 exciting units from the first term. What are the first 3 units? The first unit, Wonders of the Living World. Second unit, Things Around Us. And third unit, Water as a Natural Resource. Already we discussed all these lessons in our classes. Now today we are going to revise all lessons using this tute containing 100 questions. Okay, let's go to our questions. Now you can see the tute of the screen. This tute containing 100 questions from first lesson. Now let's go to the discuss first question. The first question given, select the group of solids. You know, things around us we can categorize into 3 groups such that solid, liquid and gas. Also, you can identify what are the solids, what are the liquids, and what are the gases. Look at the answers given for the first question. Water, milk, eggs. You know, water and milk exist normally in the liquid form, no? So it is not suitable answer for this question. Second one, kerosene, coconut oil, petrol. All these given answers are containing liquid state, so it is not the correct answer. Then check the next one, scissor. Scissor is the solid state. Pot also the solid state item, and cup also the solid state item. So I think you can understand what's the correct answer. More suitable answer for the first question, it should be this answer, no? Why fourth answer is incorrect? Because bee honey, citronella oil exists in the liquid form. So the first question answer, scissor, pot, cup. Then let's go to the second question. Second question given, which of the following is a living organism? In the first lesson, we discussed the things in our environment. We can divide it into 2 main groups such that living things and non-living things. Living things also we discuss main characteristics of the living things: growth, nutrition, and also movement, respiration, and reproduction. If you can see these characteristics of the things, we call them living organisms or living things. Now you try to choose the correct answer for the second question. Which answer containing the living organism? Spider. Spider is an animal, no? So spiders containing the belongs to the living organisms. Other all given answers containing they belongs to the non-living things. So what is the correct answer for the second question? Number 1, spider. Right. Then let's go to the third question. The highest percentage of human blood is composed of which one containing mostly in our blood? You know our blood, no? You remember there are several components containing of the blood. In upper classes, you can study more things about it. Now you remember mostly containing water because the blood is the liquid form, no? So highest percentage containing water of our blood. So the answer is First one, water. Right. Then let's go to the next question. Next question given number 4. Fourth question given, water exists in southern and northern poles as in. What's the meaning of southern and northern pole? You know our planet. We live on Earth. Our planet like spherical shape, no? Then the upper region, right? Like that upper region is known as northern pole, and the lower region of the Earth is known as southern pole. This northern pole and southern pole containing, do you remember, like this glaciers, no? Glaciers mean what? It is similar to the mountain of the ice, right? Ice mountains, like that. Then glaciers containing near the southern and northern pole areas. So glaciers are which form? What is the state of the glaciers? Glaciers, we introduce them, glaciers, as the solid state. So what is the fourth one correct? Answer third answer, no? Solid state. Right, it is the fourth question answer. Right, then next one, look at, this is a phenomenon regarding the non-living environment. What's the meaning of phenomenon? The single meaning of the phenomenon is Sansiddhiya, right? Non-living environment, which phenomenon regarding? Blooming of flowers. Flowers blooming. Flowers are the living things, no? So it is not the suitable answer for this question. In this question, you have to select the phenomenon regarding to the non-living environment. Right. Then let's go to the second one, drawing of lakes. Lakes are non-living things. So drawing of lakes mean it's regarding non-living environment, no? So it should be the correct answer, the second one. Also, we can check our third and fourth answers given of this question. Sleeping movement of mimosa plants. Mimosa plants are also belongs to the living organisms. So it is not the non-living environment phenomenon. Next one, death of animals. Animals also belongs to the living organisms. So it is not the non-living environment phenomenon. So what is the correct answer for the fifth question? Drying of lakes. Right, then let's go to our next question. Next question given, number 6. Choose the suitable word for the blank. Using sensory organs, we can blank the environment. Right. Do you know the sensory organs? There are 5 sensory organs of our body. What are the 5 sensory organs? To see something, we use our eyes. So eyes are one type of sensory organs. To hear the sounds of our environment, we use our ears. So ears, another sensory organ. Then to feel the smells in the environment, we use our nose. Nose is another sensory organ of our body. Then also to taste some foods, we use our tongue. It is another sensory organ. And to feel the temperature, that means hot or cool, we use our skin. So skin is another sensory organ. So what are the 5 types of sensory organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. In this question asks, using sensory organ, we can blank the environment. So what is the correct answer? The answers given: experiment, guess, conclude, and save. So what is the correct, more suitable answer for the question number 6? It should be save, right? Because to conclude, we have to use our brain. To guess also, you have to use your brain. To do experiments, we have to use our hands, right? Like that parts, no? So using the sensory organs, we can save the environment. Right. Now let's go to discuss the seventh question. In seventh question, you can see the picture. This instrument in this picture, the instrument in this picture is, what is this? It is light compound microscope. To observe the microorganisms, we can use this instrument. It is known as light compound microscope. It is the uh, full name of the instrument, but this question given as the answer microscope. So the seventh question answer is microscope. Telescope we can use to observe the far away objects, like the objects in the sky, right? Planets, to observe stars, right? To observe moon, right? Like that objects. To observe, we can use the telescope. Then also hand lens we can use to magnify. Magnify mean what? To enlarge the objects, then we can use the hand lens. Mirrors we can use to see your face, and also another types of instances we use the mirrors, right? So the correct answer for the seventh question is number 1, microscope. Right. Now let's go to the next page. The next page given number 8. Select a property of air from the given answers. In the second lesson, we discuss about air. Air is belongs to the matter, right? Matters mean the things that have a space and occupy the space. The things that have a mass and occupy the space. Also, we discuss some experiments to check these two points, no? So what is the correct answer for this question? Select the property of air from the given answers. The first one given does not take a space. No, it is incorrect. Air is a matter, so it take the space, no, occupy the space. Does not have a mass. It is also incorrect. Why? Because we discuss the activity using two balloons, right? I think you remember. So it is incorrect answer. Next one, has a shape. Air has no definite shape. So it is another incorrect answer. No definite shape. It is the correct answer. Right? Like that questions, you have to select more suitable answers for the questions. Right. Let's go to number 9. Number 9 given to identify the parts of the roots. There are several parts of the tree. There are several parts you can identify. Like this roots I can draw. Right, you think like this tree. These are known as the roots, no? This is a taproot. These are the lateral roots, and this part is known as the stem. These parts are known as the branches, right? These are known as leaves. Then also another some parts we can see some types of plants we can see the flowers, and also some types of plants we can see the fruits, right? Like that, lot of parts we can identify. In the next grade you can study more things about the parts of the plant. Right, now look at the answers for the Ninth question, given answers look at respectively. Respectively mean what? Pilivelin. A, B, C, D, E. You can understand, you can identify A. A should be roots, right? B, stem. So the first word should be roots, second word should be stem. Now you can check the answers. What is the most suitable answer for this question? You can understand, no? So what is the answer? First answer, no? First answer. Right. Now let's go to number 10. Question number 10, look at 10th one given. This activity also we discuss in our classes. This activity we have to do to check that air occupies the space. Right. When we do this activity, the water does not enter into the glass. Why? What's the reason for it? Because air occupy the space. Then you can uh, check the correct answer for this question. Which sentence describe the observation and the reason of the below experiment? The first answer given, glass does not sink in the water. Sink mean what? Sink mean ගිලෙනවා. It is not the correct answer. Water does not enter to the glass. What's the reason for it? Because air needs the space. It is the correct answer for the second question. Right? Okay, then look at the 11th question. Question number 11 given the method of locomotion of monitor, crocodile, and gecko. These animals belongs to which group? There are 5 types of groups we can identify the animals, right? What are the 5 types? Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. These given animals belongs to which type? They are the reptiles, no? They are the reptiles. So these reptiles are creeping animals, right? Reptiles are creeping animals. So what is the locomotion method of these animals? Creeping. Also, you remember what's the meaning of locomotion? Locomotion means moving one place to another place, right? Also revise the knowledge of the first 3 lessons. Then you can face well to your first term test of the school. Right. Now let's go to 12th question. Animals who do not move are called blank animals. Right? Animals who do not move are called blank animals. You know, some animals, we can see the movement, but they can't locomote. What are the examples for those animals? Coral polyps, right? And also sea anemone, they are fixed to the surface, right? Now look at the given answers for this one. You have to select the correct answer. Animals who do not move are called. That means they can't locomote, but we can see the movement of them, but they can't locomote. The first answer given, arboreal. Arboreal mean arboreal animals live related near the trees, right? ශාකවල ජීවත් වෙන සතුන්ට තමයි අපි arboreal animals කියලා කියන්නේ, right? So arboreal animals can locomote, no? Right? The examples monkey, right? Also the squirrel. There are some examples. They can locomote. So it is not the answer. Second answer given, aquatic. Aquatic mean they live in water. The example fish, they also can locomote, right? They can move from one place to another place. So it is not the correct answer. Terrestrial mean what? terrestrial animals, examples we, right? We live in where? In the terrestrial environment, right? Terrestrial mean what? Godabima, right? Terrestrial mean Godabima. So the fourth answer, sedentary. Sedentary mean they fix to the surface. They can movement. They can. We can see the movement of them, but they can't locomote. So the correct answer for the 12th question, sedentary. Right. Next, let's go to discuss the 13th question. 13th question given the plant that do not have a fibrous root system. The plant root system we can divide it into two types. What are the two types? Some plants you can see like this taproot. No, we call this root system taproot system. Taproot mean the large root originated from bottom of the stem. Right. The examples for the taproot system, we can give the examples. Jack tree, right? Shoe flower, chili, then also mango, right? These mentioned plants containing the taproots. So they are known as taproot system plants. And other type of plant root system is the fibrous root system. Fibrous root system means like that large number of small roots present of the roots of this plant. What are the examples for the fibrous root system plants? We can give the examples coconut, right? Erica nut, palmyra, kithul, bamboo, and also grass, right? Like that examples we can give, right? Now look at the question. You have to select which plant that do not have a fibrous root system. Tampala. Tampala has the taproot system. No, Tampala has taproot. Paddy. Uh, Paddy has like this root system. So it has the fibrous root system. Coconut also we can't see the taproot of a coconut tree. We can see the fibrous root system. And also maize. Maize mean ඉරිඟු බඩ ඉරිඟු කියලා කියන්නේ අපි maize also containing the fibrous root system. So which plant do not have the fibrous root system? Tampala. So the answer is number 4, tampala, right? Also you can identify the taproot system plants and fibrous root system plants. In taproot system plants, the branches, you can see the plant, that means stem divided into branches, right? අතු බෙදිලා තියෙනවා taproot system plants වල. Fibrous root system plants, we can't see the branches, they are unbranched, right? Okay, then let's go to number 14. Question number 14 given. Select the properties of gas from the below phrases. First one, does not have a mass. No, it is incorrect. No, why? Because gas mean you can think about air. Air has the mass, no, because air is the matter, no. So this one is incorrect. Second one, has no definite volume. Yes, volume mean the quantity, right? You know, gas has no definite volume, right? Can be compressed easily. Compressed mean what? Compressed mean like that we can compress them, no? Volume we can reduce, right? Volume we can reduce, no, by compressing, right? So what is the correct answer for this question? B and C are correct, no? So what is the correct answer? B and C. It is a mistake. There are two positions you can see B and C, no? So the correct answer B and C, right? This one, no, this one you can mark, right? Number 15. Now let's go to 15th question. 15 question given, which is used to protect from corroding. Corroding mean the change of the color, right? Change of the nature of the some materials. You think the iron, when we expose it to the air, its color should be changed, right? And also the surface should be become rough, right? uh, like that features you can see. It is known as corroding, right? Corrosion and also corroding mean it. So what you can use to protect from corroding, right? What we can do: paint, water, kerosene, tar. Tar mean tar, right? Kerosene, bhumithil, water, and paint. What you can do to prevent from the corrosion of some materials, especially iron? What you can do? We can paint it, no? Right? You think about a gate. When you paint it, you can use it uh, more time duration, right? So the answer is number 1, paint. Right. Now already we discussed first 15 questions. Then let's go to our next question. The next one given 16th one. Select a flying mammal from given from the given set of animals. Mammals mean the animals that feed with the mother's milk, right? මව්කිරි බීලා හැදෙන සතුන්. අපි කියනවා ශීරපායින් කියලා, right? Mammals mean ශීරපායි. Which animals? Flying mammal, peacock, owl, parrot, bat. So what is the correct answer? Flying mammal, bat. So your answer should be number 1, bat. Right. Now let's go to our next question, number 17. Spider has how many legs? Spider has how many? 8 legs. Number 18. Mainly water is absorbed to the tree by where? From roots. Right. Also we discussed the photosynthesis process. To photosynthesis process, needed water absorbed from the roots of the plants, right? So you remember, water absorbed mainly to the tree by their roots. Number 19, look at. Number 19, the thing which occupies space in the nature. The things that occupy the space and have a mass are known as matter. The things that does not occupy the space and hasn't the mass are known as energy. So this question asks the thing which occupy the space in the nature. So you have to select the answer that a matter. Heat is an energy, light also energy, electricity energy, and it is the animal, no? Right? Animals are matter. So what is the correct answer? Number 4. Number 20, look at 97% of the water in the hydrosphere is, hydrosphere mean Jalagolaya, right? Hydrosphere mean Jalagolaya. Which type of water containing mostly in the hydrosphere? There are 3 types of water we discussed according to the salinity, right? What are the 3 types? Marine water, fresh water, and brackish water. Marine water mean in the marine water dissolve lot of types of salts, right? Uh, Then also we discuss about the fresh water, right? Fresh water mean also in fresh water dissolved salt, but very low amount, right? We can drink them. What are the examples for the marine water? Rivers, ponds, lakes, right? Tanks, also wells, right? Like that examples we can give for the fresh water. Marine water, what are the examples? We can't drink them because many types of salt dissolved in the water, right? So they are salty taste. We can't drink them. What are the examples for the marine water? Oceans and seas, right? Oceans and seas. So another type we discuss brackish water, right? Brackish water mean dissolve the salt, but less amount than the marine water, but more amount than the fresh water. What are the examples for the marine water? Lagoons. In lagoons, we can see the marine water, right? Lagoons mean what? Lagoons mean like these shapes. You can see when you observe the Sri Lankan map, some places of the map like this, no? Right? සමහර තැන් තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ ලෑන්ඩ් එක ඇතුළට නෙරපු ඒරියාස්. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ හරියේ sea water තියෙනවා. මෙන්න මේවට අපි කියනවා lagoons කියලා. Right? In lagoons we can see the brackish water. So which type of water mostly contain of the hydrosphere? Marine water. So the 20th question answer is number 1, marine water, right? Marine water. Right. First 20 questions already we discussed now. Right. Then let's go to our next one. Question number 21. Select a pair of fruits with more seeds. Right. What are the fruits containing more seeds? You know, some fruits containing only one seed, but some fruits containing more seeds. Right. Now you can understand when you observe the answers: avocado, naminam; guava, papaya; avocado, papaya; naminam, papaya. Guava containing a lot of seeds, no, inside the fruit, and also papaya containing the black color, more seeds in the fruit. So what is the correct answer for this question? Number 2, guava and papaya. Right, then let's go to number 22. Number 22 given, this is a special feature that can be seen within a plant. Has chlorophyll, movement. We can't see the movement of the plants, no? Produce energy. Produce energy also, we can see both plants and animals. Sensitivity, right? Sensitivity means සංවේදීතාවය. What is the most suitable answer? Chlorophyll presence only the plants. We can't see the presence of chlorophyll in the animals. So what is the suitable answer for the 22nd question? Number 1 has chlorophyll. Right. Number 23. Which of the following fruits contains highest percentage of water? Right. When you observe the given answers: tomato, maize earlier I discussed with you, pineapple and radish. Which one containing highest percentage of water? It should be tomato, right? Tomato, then watermelon containing more amount of water of the foods. Right. Number 24. Example for warm-blooded animals are the animals we can divide it into two groups: warm-blooded animals and cold-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals mean the warm-blooded animals can't change their body temperature according to the environment, right? We call them warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals, the examples we can get birds and mammals, right? Birds and mammals. Other groups mean fish, reptiles, amphibians. They can change the body temperature according to the environment. So we call them cold-blooded animals, right? So what are the examples for warm-blooded animals here? Fish, I told you they are cold-blooded animals, no? Frog, also the frog mean amphibian, no? So they belongs to the cold-blooded animals. Number four, fish containing, they can change the body temperature according to the environment. So it is not the answer. Birds and man. Man mean the mammal, right? So what is the correct answer for this one? Number three, right? Birds and man. Number 25. Select the natural thing from the answers. Natural things. Natural things, the things we can also divide it into two groups, natural things and artificial things. Artificial things mean the things that made by man, right? Natural things, right? Straws mean artificial, no? Right? They are plastic, no? Nylon, also the artificial. PVC mean the pipe, right? Also they are artificial. So what is the correct answer? Natural thing, mango tree, right? It is the 25th question answer. Now already I discussed with you first 25 questions using this video. Then the next questions I will discuss using the next video. So you uh, you can subscribe our channel, right? YouTube channel, Galaxies Online Academy channel, and also you can share, and also you can like our channel. Then uh, you can get the awesome content like this awesome content to your place, right? Now you share this video, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content of science. Also, using our channel, you can study uh, English medium mathematics, science, also health and physical education, and also civic education, right? Geography, right? You can study, right? Next, we can meet using the next video from the remaining questions.